Hello everyone, my name is Striker Discom. It's a pleasure to join you in this video. In the previous lesson, you are learning how to conjugate the verb to buy in the past tense in English. Now, in this video, you're gonna learn how to conjugate the verb to buy in the future tense in English. Salut tout le monde, mon nom est Striker Discom. C'est un plaisir de vous rejoindre dans cette vidéo. Dans la leçon précédente, vous apprenez comment conjuguer le verbe acheter dans le passé. Maintenant, dans cette vidéo, vous allez apprendre comment conjuguer le verbe acheter dans le futur. If you really like this lesson, please share it to all your friends and subscribe for the upcoming video. So stay there, I will be back to do this video for you. Okay guys, now let's get the ball rolling. Future tense definition. The future tense expresses actions that have not yet occurred or that will occur at a later time. The future tense expresses actions that have not yet occurred or that will occur at a later time. Le futur exprime des actions qui ne se sont pas encore produites ou qui se produiront plus tard. C'est pour le futur en anglais. Now, let's go to conjugate the verb to buy in the future tense in English. Future tense of the verb to buy. I will buy. I will buy. You will buy. You will buy. He, she, it will buy. We will buy, you will buy, and they will buy. Let me say it again for you. I will buy, you will buy, he, she, it will buy, we will buy, you will buy, they will buy. Now, if you want to make some sentences with a verb to buy in the future tense, you can say, I will buy 13 shirts. I will buy 13 shirts. En français, on dit, j'achèterai 13 chemises. J'achèterai 13 chemises. Pour le créole, on dit, moi pral acheter 13 chemises. You will buy 14 pants. You will buy 14 pants. Tu achèteras 14 pantalons. Tu achèteras 14 pantalons. En créole, on dit, ou pral acheter 14 pantalons. She will buy 15 dresses. She will buy 15 dresses. Elle achètera 15 robes. Elle achètera 15 robes. We will buy 16 books. We will buy 16 books. Nous achèterons 16 livres. Nous achèterons 16 livres. You will buy 17 skirts. You will buy 17 skirts. Vous achèterez 17 jupes. Vous achèterez 17 jupes. And they will buy 18 slips. They will buy 18 slips. Elles achèteront 18 jupons. Elles achèteront 18 jupons. These are all sentences that you can make with the verb to buy in the future tense in English. I can say that's all for today. In this video, you are learning how to conjugate the verb to buy in the future tense. In the next video, you're gonna learn how to introduce yourself in English. If you will like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and then share it to all your friends. This is your teacher. I love you. Goodbye. See you next for another videos.